I mentioned in a video diary that I'm going to build OpenClaw in my own computer. But the problem is I have no money. I have $0. While the OpenClaw needs AI token and AI token needs money, and I have $0. As well as my laptop's specs are very low, very terrible. So that means I couldn't build local AI in my laptop. However, the turning point is the presence of artificial general intelligence. So in this video, I will use AI to help me build OpenClaw in my laptop. So in this video, I will use the AI called Douba, which is from China. It's a Chinese AI. I use it because it was free and it has multimodal in free. So that means I can send a screenshot and deal out the problem quickly. So that is the background of this video. Let's go. I want to install OpenClaw on my computer. Can you teach me step by step? It said I should open the PowerShell and type the code. Now my computer is installing the node.js, and now it's the OpenClaw file. But because it was too slow, so I turned it into the Chinese resources. Realizing the installing is very slow, I screenshot it to the Douba and follow it. But then there are some errors, so I'm a bit confused. After realizing that resources will still be retrieved from GitHub even after switching URLs, I switched to the external network, which meant using a VPN. Finally, it works. Even though it's still very slow, but at least it's downloadable now. But then the progress got stuck here, so I put a screenshot to AI and asked her. Accidentally, PowerShell quit inexplicably. So I followed a bunch of her instructions, but it was still not working. Then AI asked me to check if the OpenClaw installed successfully, but it wasn't. And I tried again, and it got stuck in the npm. After downloading it several times, I finally succeeded. The next step is configuration. I type OpenClaw on board. Seeing this, I felt really excited. I haven't felt this accomplishment in a long time. Then I followed the AI's instructions exactly, and finally I completed the configuration. I use Kimi's API for large AI models because it offers free quotas.
Yahoo!
At this point, OpenClaw has successfully run on my computer. The next step is to get OpenClaw to work successfully on my computer, and I will let him to work a file, a txt, on my desktop. I'm being a bit stupid. I can't find the button or switch the AI mentioned. Now is the time to showcase my results. I instructed OpenClaw to create a folder on my desktop and then write a file named hello.txt inside with the message OpenClaw is controlling my computer. OpenClaw is working hard right now. I don't know why it seems a little bit slow. It is awesome. It really works. Okay, that's the video. If you like this, please subscribe me and comment what you want to see. Okay, and smash a like.